Let's crochet the beak of baby chick. Start the lower part with 2 chain stitches and 1 slip stitch. Pick up the orange yarn to make a slip knot firstly. Loop the yarn by the yarn tail. Hold on to that intersection point with your thumb. Put the hook into the loop from right to left, from back to top. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. Then pull the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger until a knot is formed. 1 chain stitch. 2 chain stitches. Crochet 1 slip stitch in first chain stitch. Put the hook into the first chain stitch hole. Yarn over and then pull that yarn through everything on the hook. Now, let's crochet the upper beak. 3 chain stitches and 2 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now, we need to find the second chain stitch of the upper beak and crochet a single crochet stitch in it. One single crochet stitch finished, and then crochet a single crochet stitch in first chain stitch of upper beak. Finish of and leave a long tail for sewing.